the line integral, alright, the line integral a to b f dot dl, where f is given x by root x square plus y square x cap, y by root x square plus y square y cap along the semicircular path as shown in the figure below is, alright. So this point minus 1 0, this point is 1 0, and it is in the clockwise direction a semicircle is given, right. To calculate this, what we have to do, we want to find integral a to b f dot dl, alright. So how we find instead of calculating, so you can directly do like this, integral a to b, right, x by then x divided by root x square plus y square x cap plus y divided by root x square plus y square y cap, alright, into this position length element, right, length element in two dimensional, that is dl is equal to dx I cap plus dy j cap, right. So dx I cap plus dy j cap, alright. Now it is better to calculate this by Cartesian system. If you differentiate this and all, we will take it will long time, right. So best is you give the substitution, because in a circular path, how we represent, this is a plane polar, right, it is a plane, right. In a plane polar coordinate system, suppose you want to find a point y, right, suppose a point p want to express, then what is x coordinate? If this angle is theta, this is r cos theta, and corresponding y is r sin theta. We studied how to represent x and y in plane polar coordinate system, that is x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. If I substitute here integral a to b, right, then the limit is varying from pi to 0, right, pi to 0, right, here pi, here 0, alright, half circle, right, then pi to 0, alright, x is equal to r cos theta, then this is r cos theta whole square, r sin theta whole square, sin square theta plus cos square theta 1, and r again come out, right, and here dx x cap I am giving, dy y cap I am giving, right, because here already we chosen unit vector as x cap y cap, right. So this dx x cap dot x cap, that is dx, dx is equal to how, x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, then what is dx, dx is equal to minus r sin theta, dy is equal to r cos theta, right. So here I am substituting that dx is equal to, this dx is equal to minus r sin theta, right, sin theta, right, plus limit is same. So again here I am writing plus y is equal to r sin theta, right, dy is equal to r cos theta, divided by root of x square plus y square, right, square x square plus y square r square, right, cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, then root is r, again r, right, then right, dx is equal to r minus r sin theta d theta, dy is equal to, because dx by d theta I am finding, that only minus r sin theta, then d theta I am taking here, this is d theta. So here one d theta we have, here also one d theta we have, d theta we taken out, alright. Now this is very simple, pi to 0, look here, r is common, this part is negative, this part is positive, but value is same. So here 0 d theta, then answer is 0. Alright, then option B is correct. Alright.